Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. Congratulations to you all. The pre-sale of ZEN token is live, guys, and I want to use this video to demonstrate to you how you can actually buy the pre-sale of ZEN token. So let's move right now. I'm going to go into my accounts. So I click on Trust Wallets and then make sure you log into your account. I'm already logged into my account. So click on more, go to hub. You're going to see ZEN Presale is live. Click on it. It's going to bring you here. So when you come to this interface, you can see right now the price of one ZEN is $0.0133 USDT. Okay, this particular thing is going to be vested for 6 months. You're going to get 0% automatically or by default. If you buy any token right now, it's going to be locked for 6 months, and then every day it will be released to you according to the number of days in these 6 months. But if you choose 12 months, that means you're going to get additional 50%. If you choose 24 months, you are going to get additional 100%. So let's go ahead right now. You can see view allocation. Click on view allocation by level. You can see if you are in level 3, your allocation is 70 USDT. All right, if you are in level 4, your allocation is 150. If you are in level 5, your allocation is 310. If you are in level 6, your allocation is 630. If you are in level 7, your allocation is 1270. If you are in level 8, so your allocation is according to the amount of dollar you would have been able to use to buy that particular level. So right now I am going to go ahead now and buy. So let's come down here. You can choose to buy with either USDT or you want to buy with BNB. All right, you can choose to buy with USDT or you are buying with BNB. So I'm going to buy with USDT. So when I click on USDT, you are going to see your balance here. So now what I need to do is to go ahead and enter the amount I want to use to buy. So I want to buy $150 worth of this ZEN token right now. So it means that I am going to be getting, what I am going to be getting right now is how many ZEN token? 10,913 guys. So let me go ahead and buy. So I'll click on buy ZEN. I'm going to click on buy. So I'll click on buy now. All right, so a new linear vesting position will be created on the smart contracts. You will pay $150 base. You're going to get 10,913 ZEN tokens. Confirm. I'll click on confirm. So when I click on confirm right now, I am going to sign my signature. Approve. I didn't show you guys my balance before. My balance token is about 1,000 something ZEN token before. So let's see what is going to become. So now it's showing me transaction failed. Why? Transaction failed. All right guys, you can see that initially I was trying to buy this token and it was not going through. Right now I want to try again, but you can see that the price have already changed, 0.014. So I am getting less token now. What it means, guys, that you need to be fast to buy this token right now. So let me try again and see if this is going to work. So I'm still buying $150. So let me click on buy. Let me click on confirm. And let's see if it is going to pull through right now. So let me click on approve. Guys, you can see I have successfully purchased this token right now. You can see I was able to buy only 10,549 ZEN token, guys, at the price of 0.014, guys. This launched at 0.03, but right now it's 0.014, guys. So you just have to be fast. Look at it, the price is going. It simply means that this particular token is going to be exhausted very, very soon, guys. Let's move, guys, let's move. You can see it is vested, and I can actually claim my token. As you can see, it's already running. I can claim it to my wallet right now, guys. This is awesome, guys. This is very, very awesome. I can decide to extend this vesting period. If I click on extend, I can actually be able to extend it. Let's see, for 12 months, for 24 months, I can click on 12 months. I can click on 24 months, guys, and then I'll just click on extend, and that is it. Let me see. Let me extend this one for 12 months, and then I'll click on extend. Means I'm going to be getting 50 more percent. Okay, let me go and vest it for 24. Okay, I'm vesting for 12 months. So let me click on extend. Let me click on extend, guys. So I'm going to be getting about 15,000 tokens instead of 10,000 tokens, guys. So let's see. So you can see it has already been vested, guys, and this is how to do this. You can go ahead and do your own. Price is increasing fast. Price is increasing fast, guys. So thank you, guys.